learn how to design a skateboard in tinkercad. So first we have to take a cylinder from your basic shape and place in your work plane somewhere in middle. Okay, now after that what we have to do, just click here. You can see two face arrow, click on that and here type 90 degree after that. So what it do, it will rotate your cylinder to upside down. Okay, you see that. Now after that what you have to do, click and use the dimensions box and change the dimensions. So for front you have to use 80 mm. Okay, and the side I'm going to use 200 mm. Okay, after that you can see it will become little bigger. So what I will do, I will just hold it with my left mouse and take it back. Okay, now what I will do, now I'm going to show you the other side how it will look like. You see that it is not so clean and other thing. So I want to make it little smoother. So what I will do, I will change the sides. You can see the changes when I'm changing the sides. 64. So you can see now it's have nice curve here. I'm going to use the V-Wheel too. Okay, then I'll use the segment 10. Okay, now you can see it's little smoother and different kind of the shape. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color yellow here. Okay, next thing I will click on the top of that yellow, this piece of that, then I will click duplicate, then I will come to this cone shape and I will hold it with my left mouse button and I will try to move it little up till 5 mm. You can see I'm moving 5 mm. Now what I will do, I will change the top one. I will click on the top one and I will change the color green. Okay, then again I will click on the green one and I will use the corner and the 80 where you retain the 80 mm, I will change 80 to 82. Okay, now what I will do, I will select all like this by holding my left mouse and I will select all, then I will click this align button option. Now what I will do, I will choose this middle black spot. Let me show you that from here, this side, the front you can see a middle spot. I will click on that. Okay, now what I will do, I will click on green one again. Let me make it proper. Okay, so now I will click on the green one again and I will change into whole. Okay, then I will select all and group it. After grouping it, you can see it will turn into nice skateboard tray. You see that the base of a skateboard is ready. Okay, now we need to make the wheels and that's it. So for that what I will do, I will take another cylinder and I will bring here. Okay, then I'll change the sides of this wheel to let's take 50. We'll see, we'll use that here sides. Okay, 40. Okay, and here 40. Okay, now 40. Now what I will do, I'll height, let's see, height is 20. Okay, 20 is fine. I will take 20 is okay. So what I will do, I will increase the side till 64 so it will become smoother, and I will take 2. How I used to take 2, and segment I will take 10. Okay, let's take segment 10. Okay, now what I will do, I will click on that, then I'll click duplicate. Okay, or we can do something. Okay, let it not duplicate it. I will delete that duplicate part I'll tell you something. You go down and look for a tube and take the tube in your work plane. I'm taking the tube in work plane and I'm changing the color of tube to something like a green. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the diameter of tube 30 mm and here also 30 mm. Okay, now after that I will change that sides till 64. Then I'm going to increase the wall thickness till 1 second, yeah, till 6. I will increase the wall thickness 6. Okay, so you see that after doing this, what I will do, I'll change the height. You see the height is of this tire tube is how much? It's 20 and this one is having the height of 10. So okay, so what I will do, okay, leave the height like that. Okay, so I will bring this up 20 mm, 15, 18 and 20. Now I will use my arrow keys and bring it here. Now what I will do, I will align this one. I will select both and I will click align. Then I will select this middle and I will select this middle. Yeah, now what I will do, I will click on this green one and bring it down 10 mm. Okay, minus 10 I will bring. Then I will click on green and turn into whole. Then I will select all this and I will group it. Okay, now what I will do, I will take a cylinder and I will bring here. Okay, then what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the sides here. Okay, I will change the sides here of 5. Okay, let me delete this. Okay, 5 mm here and 5 mm front also. Both side I will going to use 5 mm. Okay, here also 5. And now I will take the height like 40. Okay, 40. Okay, let's take height of 80 mm. Okay, 80 here, 80. Now what I will do, I will duplicate this one. Okay, I will use the duplicate option and I will bring this one here. So I'm going to use the different color for this. Okay, then I'll bring here nearby that. Then I'll select both. Okay, and I'll click align. Then I'll select this middle spot, black spots. Then you can see it is in the middle. Then I'll move this one till 5 mm up. Now I will click on the blue one and turn into whole. Then I'll select all this. Then I will group it. Okay, now you can see our wheel is ready. Okay, so I will change this one some other color. Okay, you let me use the green one. Okay, now what I will do, I will rotate this one 90 degree. I will click here on two face arrow. Okay, then I will type here 90. After doing this, you can see it got rotated. Then I will click on this and I will click duplicate. Okay, now I will use my arrow key in my keyboard. Okay, the left, I'm using now right arrow key before I use the left arrow key, but you see that it's not proper mirrored. So I will click on this and I will go mirror option. Then I will click on this front tab. Now you see that it got properly mirrored. Okay, now let me move the tray. Okay, okay, let me move this one away. Okay, little much I will bring later. Okay, so I will bring this little here for and I will bring this one front. Let me bring it front. Okay, now what I will do, I will rotate this also 90 degree. Okay, I will bring it little front, okay, by using my uh, arrow key or directional key in my keyboard. So I will bring little front, and you can see it's not proper aligned. What I will do, I will select this. Okay, I will select this both two, then I'll click align. After that, I'll click this middle, the height middle black spot. I'll click that one, and then I'll click this middle, that one. Now you can see it got aligned, and let's see how much size it have from here to there. So let me check out. Okay, it's little bigger, so let me zoom out. So it have the size of 114 mm. So what I will do, I will make it 120 mm. Let's see. Okay, so now it look little bigger. Okay, then what I will do, I will select all this. Okay, then I will first let me make a uh, connector for connecting our uh, skateboard, okay, base. So I will go in connectors, and I will look for a connector down here called lanyard. Okay, I'm taking a lanyard connector and bringing in front like this. Then I will click this rotate the rotate two face arrow key here, you see that. Then I will type here 90 degree, and let's see how it's getting turned into. Okay, it's going bottom. So again, what I will do, I will hold it and rotate. It will be easier to compare to that, unless I will try to rotate by 180. Okay, and we'll see what happens. So you see that 180 is perfect, it rotated properly. Let me show you from some other angle. You can see, so it rotated properly by 180, sorry. Then now I will bring it little back, this one, and let me bring that back. Now what I will do, I will take it little up like this. Okay, and now you see that if it not connecting properly, you can use align option. We can use align option for both only. I will select both only these small pieces, then I'll go align, then I will select the middle spot, then I'll select this middle spot. Now it will be aligned in the middle. Okay, and if I like, I can press this. If I press this, it will go little up, but I don't want that one because I want there only to get connected. Now I will click outside, and I will do one more thing. I will click this, and I will increase the height. Before you see that these tires are height or for diameters are 40. So if downside, if middle point I'm taking, it is 20 mm taller. So let me see the height. If I'm clicking here, you see that 18.53. So I don't want that much size only, so I'm going to increase the size of this one to 22. So it will be 2 mm bigger than that, so I can easily keep that. So 22. Now let me duplicate this one, because one will be not enough for support, so I'll use 2. Okay, and let me see the distance from here. These 2 only I'm selecting, so I can check the distance from here. Okay, let me take this scale. So I will press here. So let me check the distance for this. So it is 8 mm from here. Okay, so fine, 8 mm from this side. Okay, 20. Okay, let me now see from the front view. So you see that it is properly in the middle. Now I will remove the scale. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this all. Selecting all, I will duplicate it. Then I will use my um, arrow key for movement. Okay, so top arrow key, I'm pressing top arrow key to move that object. Okay, duplicate object, so let it go till that point, and we can see from that our left side. Let me rotate from left side. Okay, so we can see from the left side, and we can use to align properly. Okay, and okay, I hope it is in the middle. Okay, I think so. Okay, so let me move little front because it too back. Okay, so till this okay, till this much is enough. Okay, now what I will do, first thing what we do here, we increase the height of this one. So I will click here, it is 22, and I am going to make it 28 or 29. You can use 29 is good. I will use 29 here and 29 here. Okay, 29 here, 29. Similarly I will do for this one also, 29. Okay, and I will do for this also, say other one, 29. Now I will take this up, this one board, and I will hold it and I will go till 29. Okay, and I'll use my arrow key to align it at the top of that. Let me come back to my top and front view and let align properly. Okay, so it is properly aligned. Okay, now you see that it attached the base properly with the, you know, the connectors and other things. So you can screw the connectors and you can make it move properly. So you see that. Okay, so your skateboard is ready to drive, and thank you for watching. I hope you like this session, and I will bring you something new after a week. Thank you so much for watching.